In this video, I'll show you how to download and install a certificate for the KSign app. First, open Safari and visit the certificate website. Once you're there, tap the Installer tab at the bottom. Scroll until you find the eSign/Scarlet/KSign section, then tap Search. The website may display a few ads. If an ad pops up, simply close it and return to the page. You'll see several certificate files available. Download any one of them. For this tutorial, we'll use the first certificate. After the download finishes, open the Files app. The certificate is downloaded as a zip file, so you'll need to extract it first. KSign cannot import certificates directly from a zip archive. Once extracted, you'll find the certificate files along with the password. Copy or remember the password because you'll need it during the import process. Now open the KSign app, go to Settings, and select Certificates. Tap Import Certificate and choose the .p12 certificate file. Then import the mobile provision file as well. When prompted, enter the certificate password and tap Save. Finally, make sure to select the newly imported certificate as your active certificate. That's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed a certificate for KSign.